It's that time of the year again, with Black Friday just around the corner. Sales, deals and discounts, some definitely more awesome than others, are popping up everywhere. With all these deals flooding the web at the moment, it really isn't easy finding the best deal for yourself. But don't worry, I've done the research for you and have found the best Black Friday deals for us underwater image makers in 2025. Right after the intro. Hey there, you underwater image enthusiasts, and welcome back to the channel. Great to have you with me for this dedicated Black Friday video, which will be filled with the best available deals for you as an underwater image maker this Black Friday season. Make sure to stick around to the end so you're not missing any of these awesome deals. Just to be clear, this video is not sponsored by any of the brands mentioned here, and all the deals I will talk about have been chosen because I truly believe they are outstanding offers and provide a ton of value. You will find links to all the products talked about in this video below in the video description. These are affiliate links that provide a small kickback to me if you purchase any of the products through them, at absolutely no extra cost to you. It's one of the income streams that makes it possible for me to create these videos here for you. So if you find something interesting in today's video you want to get, I'd really appreciate if you'd use the links below to do so. Thank you very much. Insta360 is probably the action camera brand that is caring about us underwater image makers the most. They keep innovating and releasing new products that are specifically designed for the underwater imaging market. And this Black Friday period, they are offering some real good deals. You can get 15% off their top-of-the-line 360 camera, the X5, and 29% off its predecessor, the X4. Both are great, compact and easy to use 360 cameras that can be used in various ways. I personally really like to use my X5 attached to my large cinema rig to capture some behind-the-scenes shots of me filming underwater. On top of that, Insta360's Ace Pro 2 action camera, which is a very popular choice among underwater image makers, is discounted by 15%, and you can get 10% off all accessories like dive cases, invisible selfie sticks, etc. Insta360's Black Friday sale is on from November 20th through to December 7th. UWACAM, the only dedicated camera app for us underwater image makers, just launched their biggest promotion yet. Get to know UWACAM and experience firsthand how it helps you capture better underwater photos and videos with ease this Black Friday. For only $1, you will get full access to all the features, including the advanced real-time UV color correction, the AI-supported fish identification feature, and much more for an entire week. Don't miss your chance. Download the app now and use the code BF25 to start your weekly subscription, with the first week for $1 only. The offer is valid from November 15th, 2025 through to January 15th, 2026, and for first-time subscribers for the first week of your subscription only. Divevolk is introducing their biggest sale in history this Black Friday with 20 to 30% discounts across their product lineup. Get 40% off on Divevolk's L bracket, which helps you capture vertical content much easier. You'll also benefit from a 40% discount on their protective neoprene covers, an essential accessory to protect the membrane of your sea touch housings when on boats, as well as pre and post dive. Divevolk's flexible tripod, a must-have for taking stable macro video, and the +8 close-up lens both come with a discount of 30%. And all the other items, including their popular preset kits, are discounted by 20%. And as a little benefit to my community here, you will get an exclusive extra discount of 1 added % by simply using the affiliate links in the video description below to place your orders. Divevolk's Black Friday sale is running from November 20th through to December 1st. This is the best time of the year to get your first Divevolk housing or that accessory you've always wanted and have it ready for your upcoming dive vacation this holiday season. My absolute favorite manufacturer of portable underwater scooters, LEFEET, has some great deals for us this Black Friday. Their brand new P1 Lite scooter is discounted by 20%. This is an ideal underwater scooter for the traveling diver, as it is small and lightweight yet powerful enough to provide plenty of propulsion and a ton of fun when using it. P1 Lite's big brother, the P1, the standard and the XR version alike, is discounted by 10%, and the C1 scooter comes with 15% discount. And as a special add-on this Black Friday, LEFEET is doing a limited time mystery box sale. Buy a mystery box for $69 and get one of these 3 items. Either a dive gear backpack worth $129, a LEFEET gift card worth $120, or a 140-watt charger worth $94. The LEFEET Black Friday promotion is valid from November 21st through to December 3rd. Bring more fun to your underwater adventures with your favorite LEFEET underwater scooter. And last but not least, I want to mention Backscatter's Black Friday sale. Backscatter is a great place year-round to find awesome deals on underwater imaging gear. But during their Black Friday sale, Backscatter is offering even more attractive discounts on a huge variety of underwater imaging gear, from lenses, housings, strobes and lights to filters, etc. It would be just too much to talk about all their specials, but here are my 3 favorite deals. Save up to $640 on the Backscatter Atom Flash. Save $263 on the Backscatter Macro Wide 4300 Dual Light Package. Save up to $688 on the Backscatter Hybrid Flash. All other Backscatter deals can be viewed through the link in the video description below. And there you have it, guys, my favorite picks for awesome underwater imaging deals, Black Friday 2025 edition. I hope you found this video and my picks helpful. If so, please give the video a like and share it with a fellow underwater image maker who might be interested in these deals too. Thanks! What deal is most interesting to you and why? What are you getting? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm really curious to hear your thoughts. And should you want to learn more about underwater videography, check out this video over here next. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy Black Friday shopping and keep capturing your awesome underwater adventures. I will see you in the next one.